Welcome again to our online teaching program arranged by Maruganj Public School. First of all, I would like to share my heart of love with all of you. And I also would like to request you to stay at home, avoid gatherings, and wash your hands properly and frequently to stop the rapid spreading of COVID-19. I also request you to maintain social distancing. Thank you. So I am here to participate in online teaching program arranged by our school management committee. So my today's subject, my today's class is only for those students who are now reading in class PLKG. So before I going to start my lesson today, I would like to request all the PLKG students to join my class and share the video with others. Thank you. So my today's subject is on rhymes. My today's topic is on rhymes. So today we are going to we are going to learn about one, two rhymes. Clear? First one is rain, rain, go away, and the second one is butterfly, butterfly. Thank you. Let me start. Okay. So first I would like to write the name of the rhymes on board. Clear? Rain, rain, go away. RAIN, rain. RAIN, go away. AWAY. Our today's first rhymes is rain, rain, go away. Clear? So before I going to start reciting the rhymes, I would like to request you to look at the page, because now I am going to give you a small description of the pictures of the page first. Okay, please take a look at the page. You can see there are so many raindrops. All these raindrops are falling from the sky, and the raindrops are falling on the ground. Clear? And you can see there is a little boy. Can you see it? There is a little boy ready to play with a ball in his hand. The name of this little boy is Johnny. Clear? Next one. You can see there is a small dog. The dog is standing beside little Johnny. Is that clear to you? Okay, let's get started. So, please try to recite with me at the same time. Is that clear? Okay, start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Do not show your face again. Is that clear? Let me write. Rain, rain, go away. RAIN, 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 go away, go away. Clear? Come again, COME, come, AGAIN, again, another day. Little Johnny, LITTLE, little Johnny, JOHNNOY, Johnny wants to play. Clear? Rain, 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 go to Spain, go to S-P-A-I-N. Do not show your, do not show, S-H-O-W, show your face. Again, A-G-A-I-N. Is that clear? Okay, fine. So please once again try to recite with me, and please look at the board. Rain, rain, go away. Are you ready? Yes, start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Do not show your face again. Is that clear? Okay. Please everybody try to recite with me. Okay, start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Do not show your face again. Is that clear? Once again. Okay, look at the board please. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Do not show your face again. Is that clear? Thank you. Fine. Next rhymes. Our today's second rhymes is butterfly, butterfly. Let me write on board. Butterfly, butterfly. Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R. Butterfly. F-L-Y. B-U-T-T-E-R. F-L-Y. Is that clear? Our today's second rhymes is butterfly, butterfly. Okay. So please have a look at the page. I am going to give you a small description of the pictures of the page. Clear? So please take a look. You can see there are so many pictures here. First you can see there is a butterfly. Can you see the butterfly? Yes, fine. The butterfly is extremely beautiful, and its wings are colorful. You can see there are so many flowers, and the butterfly is flying from one flower to another. Is that clear? Next one. You can see a small girl looking at the butterfly. Is that clear? Okay, let's get started. Okay, start with me. Please try to recite with me. Is that clear? Okay, start. Butterfly, butterfly, from where do you come? I know not, I ask not, I never had a home. Okay, please let me write. Butterfly, butterfly. Clear? Okay. B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. F-L-Y, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. F-L-Y, butterfly, butterfly. From F-R-O-M, from where do you come? Interrogation. Next one. I know not, I K-N-O-W, no, not, I ask not, I never, N-E-V-E-R, never had a home. Is that clear? Fine. So please try to look at the board and also try to repeat with me. Okay, start. Butterfly, butterfly. Start. Butterfly, butterfly. From where do you come? I know not, I ask not. I never had a home. Is that clear? Okay, start. Once again. Okay. Butterfly, butterfly. From where do you come? I know not, I ask not. I never had a home. Is that clear? Thank you. Once again, look at the board. Butterfly, butterfly, from where do you come? I know not, I ask not. I never had a home. Okay? Fine. Once again. Please try to, everybody, please try to repeat with me. Start. Butterfly, butterfly, from where do you come? I know not, I ask not, I never had a home. Okay? Thank you. That's all for today. I would like to stop my class here. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you once again for joining my class. Bye bye.